How to make a carousel on Instagram. A carousel post allows you to add multiple photos or videos in a single post that users can swipe through. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus button in the middle. Then select Post. Now look at the area where it says Recents. Just to the left of the camera icon, you will see an icon with two squares. Tap on this icon to enable multiple selections. Now, select the photos and videos you want to include in your carousel. Make sure to choose them in the order you want them to appear. Once you have selected all the images and videos, tap Next in the top right corner. On the next screen, you can add filters to your images if you want. Once you are satisfied with how they look, tap Next. Now, you can add a caption, tag people, and adjust other post settings just like a regular Instagram post. When everything is ready, tap Share at the bottom. Instagram will take a moment to upload your post. Once the upload is complete, refresh your feed and your carousel post will appear. You can now swipe through the images and videos in your post. That is how you create a carousel post on Instagram.